Tesla, you got to like it now. I mean, it's been up something like 40% since election day. It remains to be seen whether or not Elon Musk will become a member of, not necessarily the cabinet, but maybe an advisor or somebody on the team.
It's been pretty extraordinary to watch the move in Tesla. We don't own it within our portfolios. We own every other company within the quote-unquote the Magnificent Seven. Tesla's not one of them. We did just think it was kind of more of a wild card. But yeah, I think that we're really looking more broadly. I will just say that I think that it's really important as we're talking to clients to continue to draw comparisons to President Trump's first term. There were some lessons there. The first is that, like discretionary, the move we're seeing in Tesla the last few days, right behind it is financials. We're seeing a real strength in banks right now. We actually have a pretty decent weighting there. But it's really important to make your bets at the margin. And you really need to be thoughtful about that because these can really be short-term moves. Last time around, financials were one of the best performers immediately following the 2016 election. And at the end of President Trump's former president's first term, we saw that the financials as a sector, if you just rank performance of all sectors, it was in that bottom half. And so I think that's really important, and it's just a good reminder that we need to keep a broader perspective here.
What about Bitcoin? Do you like it? And this as of President-elect Trump wants to make the United States the crypto capital of the world and wants the government to accumulate national stockpile.
You know, Bitcoin is not something that we can ignore anymore, and it's something that we've continued to explore. We're not currently using it within our portfolios, but we certainly talk about it a lot, and our clients are asking about it. And our advice for them is it's okay to allocate a small percentage to their portfolio. It is a diversifier. But to do so, again, at the margin, because what we have seen, even though the last several days have been quite good for Bitcoin and other investments within the crypto arena, it is extremely volatile. And so to us, it is more of a speculative play. It is something that it is, even though it has currency in the name, we don't view it as a currency, but we do think that the technology and the potential for it is real. We think that one of the hardest things for us is the fact that it's very hard to determine what a fair or intrinsic value is. It's not something that produces that produces income. It does not produce earnings, and so it's a little bit tough for us. So we prefer that clients invest outside of a traditional managed strategy.